Advanced manufacturing has migrated south. Introducing Informa Markets Engineering South, the only show in the Southeast region showcasing industries like aerospace, healthcare, automotive, food and beverage, and many more. If you haven't been to Charlotte lately, you're in for a nice surprise. So much has changed. The region is rapidly growing and attracting a wide range of industries, and here are just a few reasons you need to be there. Economic growth for this entire region is driven by manufacturers in the aerospace, automotive, metal, forest products, logistics, and plastic sectors. The numbers are solid. Manufacturing trends in southeastern states show a resurgence in advanced manufacturing, especially as both domestic and foreign manufacturing companies looking to expand or place operations are choosing the Southeast. Another booming industry is medical technology. North Carolina tops the country in pharma manufacturing by total employment, coming from more than 600 pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies. This medtech manufacturing community is huge, with so much opportunity for you. You can expect companies with a strong presence in the Southeast to be in attendance. With 6 co-located events under one roof, this is a must-attend event. Don't miss out on MD&M, PAC, ATX, D&M, PBS, and Plastech. Secure your booth today. Mark your calendar for June 14th through 16th, 2022 in Charlotte, North Carolina. For more information and to secure your spot, please check the website.